Hi, Miss Rogie May de la Cruz. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, good day po. My name is Rogie de la Cruz, 33 years old from World First, Balagtas, Bulacan. I am happy with my living partner and 3 kids. The eldest one is 13 years old, the second one is 11, and the younger is 9 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
We have 9 siblings and I'm the 5th child.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm a high school graduate and I complete a vocational course in Hilot Wellness Massage Therapy.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, ma'am. But I'm working here in the Philippines as a house worker and a cook for a Chinese family for almost 4 years. I also do household chores and taking care of pets, car washing, gardening, and many more.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm a trustworthy, respectful, honest, and hardworking mom.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I just want to work abroad to save money, build our own house, and for the future of my children.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
Naughty child and child with tantrums is hard to handle, but we need to be patient, stay calm, and use a positive language for them.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Beep, beep, the small jeep is running down the street. Stop, look and listen, stop, look and listen. Beep, beep, the small jeep is running down the street.
What is your message to your future employer?
For my future employer, if ever you choose me to be your employee, I will treat you as like my family. I will take care of your children just like my own children. Do household chores and listen to you in times that I have some mistakes. I accept my mistakes. That's all. Thank you.